Currently one day away from the first episode, the premiere episode of the Black Powder podcast, and I figured it would be a good time to go ahead and zero in the sights so we can get everything on target as far as what the ultimate goal of the podcast is. Based on the events that happened last year in 2020, which we will get into in future episodes, but nonetheless, these events have created a certain atmosphere or a certain change, paradigm shift, whatever phraseology you like to use in black society. We have an increase of gun ownership. There are firearm families, new 2A advocates, and while that's great, some of the things that I see on the news worries me as far as if people have done their research. And even in my anecdotal experiences in my own personal life, I have come across people that have not done much research as far as making sure that they are gun safe, knowledgeable, and prepared whenever they are carrying their firearm on them every single day or wherever they decide to go to, whether it's in their house, at work, or just in general going out. So my ultimate goal, along with the others that will join me on this show, is to make sure that changes, is to create a firearm awareness amongst us as black people. And hopefully as a, let's just say, added benefit, it will change the way that our image is portrayed in the media whenever it comes to firearms, as well as what the expectation is when dealing with a black person who owns firearms. Because right now, actually for the longest time, our image has not exactly been portrayed positively in the media. So we as a culture, we as a people, we as Second Amendment advocates need to change that. So stay tuned. We'll have a lot more coming for you. This is just a little preview of what the future episode will entail. And I guess I couldn't really hold my excitement anymore because this is something new that I've been looking forward to doing for a long time, and just trying to get out there before the release date, which is tomorrow, September 11th. And you better believe I got a lot to talk about on that as well. Till then, this is the Black Powder Podcast. We will see you next time.